Question 14. What does the frequency of oscillation of a mass on a spring depend upon? Does it depend upon the mass, the strength of the spring, or the amplitude of vibration, or a combination of some of those? Let's talk about extremes. Let's just do it with a small mass. And you see the frequency is relatively high. And then we do it with a bigger mass and see that the frequency is slower. So it does look like the mass has a significant effect on the frequency of oscillation. So remember that, mass does have an effect. The next thing is, let's just put a moderate mass on here, let it oscillate, and let's change the stiffness of the spring. It's the so-called spring constant. If we make it a stiffer spring, you'll see that the oscillation is actually a higher frequency. You can see that kind of has a thicker coil, and if we make it a thinner coil, the frequency is affected. So those are the two things that affect the frequency of mass on a spring. It's the spring stiffness as well as what mass you attach to the end. Hope that helps you answer this particular question.